In this video, I will show you how you can turn on or turn off light mode on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Display. Under the Display settings, you will find the option for light mode and dark mode. Now to turn off light mode, just select dark from here, and you will enable dark mode on your Samsung phone. Now if you want to set a schedule on when you want to enable or disable light mode on your Samsung phone, then just tap on dark mode settings, and from here just enable the toggle for schedule. Now from here you can either select sunset to sunrise, then tap on turn on, and after you do that, dark mode will be enabled on your Samsung phone after sunset to sunrise. But if you want to set a custom schedule, just select custom schedule, and from here you can set a specific time duration on when you want to enable dark mode on your phone. And the rest of the time your phone will be set to light mode. And as you can see, I'll set a start and end time for light mode from here. As you can see, this is the start time, and set the end time from here. Just like that. But if you want to set your phone on light mode all the time, just select light from here. And after you do that, light mode will be turned on all the time. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.